In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import tasks from Trello to Monday.com. This process is quite straightforward and I'll guide you through each step to ensure a smooth transition. Let's get started. First, go to Trello.com in your web browser. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to click on the login button, which you can find easily on the homepage. You have the option to log in using your email, or for convenience, you can use your Google account credentials. Once logged in, you'll want to navigate to your boards by visiting the boards section on Trello. Now look for the Your Workspaces area, where all your boards are listed. You'll need to select the board you wish to import tasks from. Once you are on the correct board, direct your attention to the upper right corner, where you'll see 3 dots. This is the menu button. Click on it and from the options that appear, choose Print, Export and Share. Then select Export as CSV. This will allow you to download your tasks in a CSV file format, which is crucial for the import process to Monday.com. With your CSV file in hand, the next step is to move over to your Monday.com board. Head to Monday.com and log in if you haven't yet. Once there, click on your account in the upper right corner. You're looking for the Import Data option in the drop-down menu. Clicking on this will bring up a menu here. Make sure to select Excel as we'll be importing an Excel compatible file. At this stage, you're ready to drag and drop the CSV file you downloaded from Trello into the designated area on Monday.com. Once the file is uploaded, you'll be prompted to customize your new board. Click on Let's Customize Your New Board and then continue by clicking Next through the subsequent customization and setup prompts. Usually you might go through this step multiple times to ensure your board settings and preferences align with your needs. Finally, once you've navigated through the setup, click Create Board. The import process will begin and you'll just need to wait a moment while Monday.com processes the import. It usually doesn't take long, but it might depend on the size of your CSV file. And there you have it. Your tasks from Trello should now be successfully imported into Monday.com. This method is effective for transferring your workflow without the hassle of manually copying tasks, streamlining your project management between platforms. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.